Are you tired, confused, frustrated, overwhelmed, or even completely stuck? With such a mental state, there's no way you can be successful trading the markets. Believe me, I'm sure you know better than me. You become a very easy prey. I just recommend to go out of that state quickly. What you need is a major shift in your thinking, a paradigm shift. Think, feel, and act differently. Forget about the holy grail indicator or strategy. Think about the holy grail of skill development by applying the concepts of deep practice and simulation technology. Move up your trader development path while you experience exponential skill growth. Let's have a quick look how the trader development path looks like. So this is the trader development path, and you basically go up the steps. So starting as a novice, as you can see, well, there's still very strong emotions, right? Fear, anger, depression. Well, this goes down the higher you go up. Looking at what your goal is in trading, well, here as a novice, well, you do not lose money while gaining experience. Well, on the next level, well, you start making money non-consistently. So now it's getting interesting. On the competence level, well, you start making money consistently. And this is basically when you become a part of the shark. So you get very close. Only 3% of traders actually get there, where they start to be consistent. In the expert level, well, you're basically working on to maximize your return and to increase your position size step by step. Welcome in the group of sharks. So stepping higher, your trader development path is achieved by applying the concepts of deep practice. Now, what does deep practice mean in a nutshell? It means you need to chunk things up, slow down, and perform each chunk with simulation technology till you master it. Being in your sweet spot of learning, your stretch zone, small trading mistakes will occur. This is exactly what we want. To provoke small failures in order to learn from them and grow rapidly. Repeat the chunk slowly again, then with more speed till you master it. Next, you need to integrate each newly mastered chunk with the prior one till you master the whole. This is actually nothing new, as this is how you learned as a child. And you know what? Learning at lightning speed was a lot of fun, wasn't it? I make this really easy for you here. Click on the button and you get to my workshop page where you will see several options. I recommend the combo package because it's just a full 6-day package, but as well, it's the best price offer. Sign up and start doing your prep work.